Sustaining natural energy is known as Earth, a holding, nurturing energy. As a custodian, their profile is the epitome of sustaining energy. They're grounded and excel at nurturing the ideas of others. The glyph shows a downward triangle meeting the earth. It's like the little hole you make when you're going to place a seed or a small plant into the earth for the custodian to take care of. They epitomise care and looking after the resources under their care. Being a grounded, practical profile who's present in the now and focused on the present, they are the opposite to the activating energy who's all about potential and the future. There can sometimes be conflict between these two energies. The value of the custodian to the catalyst is to make them aware of the practical realities of the idea. They are naturally gifted at operational excellence. They hold process and the service together. They deliver on the promises, the commitments made around the product or the service. They have a talent for creating a customer journey, ensuring an awesome customer experience so the customer will want to repeat it. Custodians can get bogged down in the detail. If they have a lower activating energy mix, they often can't see the bigger picture. They become challenged by change and things moving too quickly. When custodians don't have all the resources and information, they can freeze up literally and feel paralysed with the stress and uncertainty. Custodians can perpetuate a business process for the sole reason that's the way we've always done it, all because this is safe, even when the process is shouting out, "We need change, we need to do this differently." The custodian may hold on to the old way of doing things to protect the tribe. If you are a custodian, you need to master your ability to deploy, monitor, implement, support operational processes, and to have a very good understanding of process support, including customer retention, support and service. This is a key part of what the custodian is excellent at doing. You also need to trust the catalyst in your team, that they have the right information about the future. Also recognise that change is inevitable. As much as you create value by holding things together in times of crisis and delivering on time, you must manage your own internal stress responses to change. Find positive mechanisms that help you to navigate through change. If you're working with a custodian in your team, then it's really important that you support them on their journey by aiming to deliver planned, not forced change, allowing them time to adapt and make them feel they belong. Know too that they're going to hold back on a comment. They're not often upfront about what they're really thinking. The ideal professions or areas of focus for custodians are operations management, account management, customer experience, HR.